Hello, and welcome to the Student Success Tools online workshop. My name is Peng Tao. I am an admissions advisor for the Admissions and Recruitment Office at California State University, Fresno. Here are the items that I will be going over: the Fresno State Student Center, the importance of submitting official test scores, degree progress report, and where and how to find campus jobs. To locate your Fresno State Student Center, you will need to log in to your account at my.fresnostate.edu. Click on the Sign In button as demonstrated in the picture below. You will need to enter your username and password. This is the same username and password you created for your Fresno State email account. Once logged in, you will need to check and click on Student Self-Service. Then click on Student Center as shown in the picture. This is an example of how your Student Center page looks like. On the left-hand side, you have your 4 green arrows, and the right side, you have your important information and holds box, your to-do list box, and the other boxes below that will be used later when you become a student. I will now be going over each 4 green arrows shown in your Student Center. The first green arrow on the Student Center page is the My Academic Records and Registration section. This is where you will be able to search for courses, add courses onto your wish list before registering, see your grades, see your unofficial transcript from Fresno State, and view the university catalog. The next green arrow is a popular one at this time of the admissions process. It is the second green arrow that states My Admissions and Program Applications. This is where you will find your admission status and where you will need to accept your admissions offer, pay and register for Dog Days orientation. Note, the Dog Days orientation button will appear once you accept your admissions offer. When reviewing your application status, you will see the following status and transcript box. Conditionally admitted means that you have to complete all the necessary admissions requirements before being fully admitted. For example, if you are a first-time freshman and still in high school, you will need to pass all your classes your senior year and submit an official high school transcript with your graduation date in order to be fully admitted. The transcript box allows you to see which transcripts we received, not received, and not desired, meaning not required. The third green arrow is the My Finances section. This is where you can view your financial aid. If you have any questions regarding this section, you can contact financial aid. The Fresno State's financial aid's phone number is 559-278-2182. Once again, 559-278-2182. The final fourth green arrow is the My Personal Information section. It has all of your personal information. Note, if you see anything incorrect, the only update you can make from your Student Center is the home or mailing address and phone number. Your name, date of birth, social security number, and gender must be updated with our registrar's office. The second part of the Student Center is the right-hand side of the page, which is the to-do list and important information and holds boxes. You can click on the Details or More button to view the item and to know which department is asking you for the item. Once you click on Details or More, you can view the items, the status of the items, what institution it's from, and what department is asking you for the items. For example, below shows a hold for residency undetermined, which states that the department is the University Registrar's Department, but it's actually the Admissions Department. This is currently getting fixed. Now that we now understand what the Student Center page is, I will now discuss the importance of submitting official test scores online. All test scores will need to be submitted to our office by our deadlines. SAT or ACT are test scores requested if you're a first-time freshman applicant. AP test scores are requested if you've completed the test with a score of 3 or higher. IB test scores are requested if you've completed the test and have passed your test. The passing scores for IB do vary on test type. CLEP test scores are completed and passed with a score of at least a 50. Submitting test scores on time will result in a quicker evaluation for Dog Days student orientation. So you can avoid taking the same course, avoid complications with class registration. Failure to submit official test scores may result in a denial or withdrawal of your admissions. For first-time freshman applicants, we use SAT or ACT to calculate your eligibility index and to verify A through G requirements. For transfer applicants, test scores are needed to verify Golden 4 requirements or 60 transferable units. To check if your test scores have been received, please call 559-278-2261. Once again, call 559-278-2261 during our office hours, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., Monday through Friday. The Degree Progress Report is your ticket to graduation. Of course, it is not a report that we solely want you to rely on, but it is the report advisors use to advise you in your graduation requirements. The DPR is coded according to the university catalog. Where can you find your Degree Progress Report? You'll need to log into my.fresnostate.edu. Click on Student Self-Service, click on Student Center, click on the first green arrow, My Academic Records and Registration. Click on Degree Progress Report and run your report either PDF or HTML. After you've run your report, there are symbols you'll need to pay attention to. The first symbol is a green box with a check mark. This symbol means you've completed the section or required area. The second symbol is the blue box with 3 dots, and this symbol means in progress. The last symbol is the red box with an X, and this means you are still in need of completing the required area or section. The DPR will help you with registration when you attend your Dog Day student orientation. The next item to discuss is how to find campus jobs. If you're interested in looking for a campus job or any jobs, you can log into your my.fresnostate.edu account and in the menu box, select Hire Fresno State. After selecting Hire Fresno State, please create or update your account, then search for your jobs. Filter your jobs to only on-campus jobs if you are wanting to just review on-campus jobs. You are also able to see other jobs on Hire Fresno State that are outside of Fresno State campus. This concludes my online presentation. Our contact information is found on this slide. Thank you.